guys, so we have a new addition to add to our collection. We're going to do an unboxing on this beauty.
Okay, so it is a 1/12 scale, ready to run electric 4x4 off-road pickup truck.
From Team Associated.
Yep.
Right? So let's get into it and go ahead and cut that seal open, Dylan. We'll open up the box.
It's a Ford F150 body.
There's another one down here too, dude. Alright. So this is the CR12 from Team Associated. Alright. You want to pop her out? Is she tied in?
Comes with a box, I think.
She's probably tied in.
Yep. Some kind of manufacturer tied in.
Let's see. Well, how about we start by taking the clips off. This truck comes in blue or black, and we chose to go with the black. Also comes with a... we need something to clip the plastic there.
Came with installed lights by the look of things too.
Yeah, it does. Okay.
Only front ones.
So, inside the box, it's got a couple zip ties holding it in. Yeah, we need the cutters, dude.
Okay.
You can start slicing the tape on that.
Okay. Watch her.
There we go. Alright. There she is. So this comes with LED lights already installed. It also comes with a lithium-ion battery.
Ooh, it is pretty remote. Ooh, it comes with batteries.
850 milliamp. Metal front CVA and rear solid axle shafts with 12 mil hex adapters. Metal 4-link front and rear suspension. Fully adjustable threaded oil-filled shocks.
Got a nice remote here. Some batteries.
Chassis mounted steering servo. 3-gear transmission with integrated motor mount. So the links are all metal underneath.
That's cool.
Yeah, cute little truck.
It is a 1/12 scale, so
Yeah.
pretty small.
Aluminum battery tray.
Remote comes with batteries.
Spring-loaded servo saver. It's a genuine licensed 1980 Ford F150 flare side body. Chrome-plated front and rear bumpers. Chrome-plated scale 1.55 mil wheels with soft compound tires. The tires do seem pretty nice and soft.
Let's see. Oh yeah, those are soft. Is there even foam in those?
So you know the thing is, you're actually getting quite a bit in this truck for the price point, guys.
Got a remote, batteries, a cool little truck. Looks awesome. Look at that.
Right, even a little license plate on the back there.
And on the front.
And the Ford emblem there and there. Door handles. Now, it does come with mirrors, which you have to install.
Yep.
If you're planning on rolling this truck a lot, maybe leave the mirrors off for a little while. No chance of breaking them off if they're not on there in the first place, right?
Yep.
What else is in here? Your bind plug. An extra Velcro strap for the battery tray. Oh, and this is a UBS charger for the battery that comes with it. Dylan and I went out and bought a secondary battery, which is an actual LiPo, and it was a 2-cell, 2000 milliamp.
Yeah, 2000 milliamp.
Yeah. So, and that one, what was the brand on that one, buddy?
It is a.
Just so that if you want this truck and you want an extra battery,
Electron Pro.
something that'll fit. What is it?
Electron Pro.
Electron Pro?
No, Electron Pro. Not Electron. Electron.
Are you sure that's what it's called?
It says Electron on it. It's Electron Pro. Right here.
Yes, Electron Pro.
Told you.
So, in case you want to know what battery will fit in this truck for an upgraded battery, it's a 2-cell, 2000 milliamp, 50C Electron Pro. So, we'll leave links in the description for everything as always. What else do we got here?
The shock's running.
Obviously your paperwork. It's got a breakdown of all your parts. So, if you're a first time RC purchaser, make sure that you read your pamphlets so that you do proper charging and operation.
That's cool.
So,
It's a cool little truck.
that's a truck. She's pretty nice.
Comes with
Nice
a remote.
pistol grip remote. Foam on the steering wheel. It's a nice little touch. They actually put a little disc brake in there to make the wheel look cool. You got your trims on top. Steering. I think that's a high-low on your throttle. Power on the back. It's a 2.4 gig. Pretty much everything nowadays is a 2.4 gigahertz radio system.
We got four batteries.
So this truck, I think Canadian, we paid $260 Canadian. So that's a pretty good deal for everything that's included, and it is a true ready to run because it comes with the batteries for the controller and the startup battery and charger for the actual truck itself. So
I like these nice thin soft tires. They're really soft.
we are going to get some batteries in this guy, and we're gonna get it out for a run. So
Yep, that's why the battery's charging.
we'll have another video coming soon for the first run on this
How
guy.
about this little dude?
So hopefully you enjoyed this video.
Yep.
If you did, give us a like.
And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss a thing. Until next time,
Get out and play. See you guys later.